The Great Indian Ice Cream Testing is a great challenge being brought by the HyBiz Tv. It's a really great achievement for the ice cream eating. Due to pre-COVID experience and everything, this summer we should utilize more and more this type of events so that awareness of the ice cream should come and my per capita consumption of the ice cream should go increase. Right now the per capita income of the ice cream is only 300 ml to 400 ml. Now if we do this type of challenges for ice creams, we should increase the consumption of the ice cream in pan India. Means pan India ice cream should level increase to 500 ml such that our basic production and everything, the chain will make more and more vibrant. It's too good. The Hyderabad market is too good compared to Delhi, Mumbai, and after Delhi, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad is loving again. It is a consumption of ice cream has increased tremendously. So definitely, I should proud of the Hyderabad people that are lovely eaters.